bicycle pump, PVC pipe that fits a Nerf dart, a water bottle, or any plastic bottle. Preferably like a 2-liter Coke bottle, but we don't have that, so we got a Fiji bottle. A saran wrap and a bicycle pump that fills up a basketball, soccer ball, any ball with this needle. This is the pin to inflate a basketball, and then you just gotta get this in the back of the bottle. It was just that easy. It wasn't actually that easy. I used something called an editing trick, making you think I drilled a hole, hot glued the pin into the back of the bottle in a millisecond. The way you shoot the Nerf dart is by having 2 saran wrap folded on each other, like on a decent sized square. You put the Nerf dart in the PVC pipe, make sure it's all the way at the bottom, and then wrap it like this. After that, you get the bottle. And then just make sure it fits inside snug. And then it's pretty much done. Just in case the bottle doesn't pop off, you could put duct tape around it so that it just stays on the PVC pipe. And then you're pretty much safe. Okay, now that we set up the whole thing, our target is the white cardboard box, and hopefully it works. So you gotta hook up the bicycle pump to the pin that we attached to the back. And then now that we have the saran wrap, the pressure will build inside the bottle, and then when the saran wrap rips, all the pressure will go out the tube, taking the Nerf dart. There you go. Oh my god, my ears. Look, it just made a hole right through. And of course this is made out of wood, so it won't make it through that. Alright, now this is from a different angle. There's 2 cardboard boxes now, and because it looked like it got through the first one really easily. So this is shot number 2. Oh, okay. Didn't go all the way through, but the Nerf dart is actually stuck inside, right, in the cardboard. Wow.